In this video, I solve one more problem on sequence and generating a function. So this is very interesting topic. The question has been asked is multiply the sequence, this sequence with another sequence. First of all, we need to multiply these two sequences and then get a generating function over here. So let me just multiply these two sequences first as per the requirement of the question. So first of all, I write the first sequence, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 which is ellipsis. Then we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. So when you multiply these two sequences, you multiply first term with the first term of the second sequence, so you get 1. And the next term you get is when you multiply 1 with 2 and 2 with 1. Okay, so you get, for example, 1 cross 2 plus 2 cross 1. Similarly, you continue multiplying with another values as well. So you can get, for example, 1 cross 4 plus 2 cross 2 plus 3 cross 1, so on. So here the sequence is 1, 4, and 11. So that is the new sequence we have over here. You can just multiply these together. If you don't understand this idea, then you can simply write, as we know in generating function, this sequence can give us x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3x squared, so on. And the second sequence, from the second sequence, we have, for example, 1 plus 2x plus 4x squared plus so on. So you multiply 1 with the 1 and so on, 1, 2x, so on. And similarly, you multiply all the other terms, but the idea is the same. So this is the first answer of this question. The second answer that we want to get is to find the generating function for the resultant sequence. We know that this sequence 1, 2, 3, 4 has a generating function 1 over 1 minus x squared. And the generating function, if you don't know how this has been written, you can simply expand the right hand side. For example, it can be written as 1 minus x minus 2, 1 plus 2x plus minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial x squared plus so on. 1 plus 2x plus 6 by 2 x squared plus so on. 1 plus 2x plus 3x squared plus so on. So you can see that the sequence you get is the same as the coefficient are written over here. So we have this sequence generating function for this sequence, and the generating function for the second sequence is 1, 2, 4, 8. And if you cannot directly write the answer, simply write it as 1 plus 2x, 4x square, 8x cube, so on. And from here, we have 1 over 1 minus 2x as a sequence, generating function. I'm sorry. This is the generating function. So we need to find the formula for this generating function, this sequence. And this sequence is the product of these two sequences, and this sequence has a generating function given over here, and the generating function for the second sequence is already has been obtained in this equation. So we simply multiply these two values and get the answer. So 1, 4, 11, which is a sequence that can be written as 1 plus 4x plus 11x square, so on. This is the product of two sequences, and the first sequence is over here, 1 over 1 minus x square. This is the answer or the generating function for the first sequence. And similarly, for the second sequence, which is this one, for this sequence, we have a generating function of 1 over 1 minus 2x. So what we do, we multiply these together and get the answer. So we have 1 minus x squared, 1 minus 2x, which is the answer. So whenever you are asked to find a sequence from two given sequences by multiplying, remember that if in the question it has been asked to multiply these two sequences, first of all, this seems to be a bit difficult process of multiplying these two. Simply write the first sequence in terms of power series of x, and write the second sequence as a power of x. Then multiply these together and you will get the coefficient given over here, 1, 4, 11. That will be already written over here. You will get the answer like this. And in generating function, there is a theorem which say there is a process which says that how to multiply two sequences. So you multiply these two sequences by finding their respective answers, and at the end you get the final answer of this sequence. The answer to get for this sequence seems to be a bit difficult directly, but if you have two sequences, you can directly find the answer. Thank you for watching.